So how can you get the iCloud photos on Android? Let's get started. So the iCloud photos are naturally from iPhone and from the Apple platform. So it is not going to be like easily added to the Android, but you can still go ahead and do so. So the way that you can access them is not by getting an app, but you can only access it through a web browser, which means that you can open up iCloud.com and then just click on the sign in button. This will allow you to use your Apple ID credentials, which is usually the email or phone number, and of course, password to get inside. A lot of Apple ID accounts require you to have the two-factor authentication enabled, so you will probably need to authenticate yourself a little bit more. But when you do this, you will be able to get inside the cloud version on the Safari, right? So I'm sorry, on the web browser. So it is not an app, but it's a web browser, web-based iCloud service, right? So you can access your photos, you can perhaps download them, but if you plan on using it and if you really want to just keep on using iCloud on your Android phone, it's probably not the best idea because it doesn't get implemented so deeply into the operating system as it is on the iPhone and other Apple products. So if you have Androids, then it's much better to use Google Photos as it makes sense, right? And yeah, there are some other platforms like Dropbox and so many others. So go ahead and explore those to see perhaps if you have some more options, or if it works better, just get the photos from iCloud and then just use some sort of different service. So that's it. That is my guide. Let me know below in the comments if you managed to do it, if you managed to access your photos. Subscribe for more tutorials and guides like this one, and I'll see you later.